Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors here in the outside kitchen again. And today we've got a real quick and easy dish. Chris and the guys have bought us some fresh speckled trout out here off the coast. And what we're going to do is a panko and Parmesan crusted speckled trout. So we've got our cleaned speckled trout sitting in here in our enamel cast iron baking pan right here. And we're going to season it up a little bit of the Carolina seafood seasoning. You can add as much as you like. We're just going to kind of top coat this guy right here. And then we have some Dijon mustard and a little bit of mayo right here. It's about equal parts, so about 2 tablespoons of each. We're gonna put them all together. And this is what's gonna actually coat our fish to help the panko and Parmesan stick to it. So now that we've got our fish coated with the mayo Dijon mix, we're gonna do the same thing with the panko and Parmesan in about a 50-50 mix. And then we're gonna pretty generously coat all the fish in the pan. Once you got it coated, we've got our oven preheated to about 350, and we're going to put it in there, and depending on the thickness of the fish, it'll probably take about 10 to 15 minutes for this to cook. All right. Beautiful. Nice and crispy on the top. Fish is cooked all the way through. And as always, it's great to take wild game in the outdoors, but it's even better to incorporate it into a dish.